the world predictions of April 17th, 2019. Destructive tornadoes are coming sometime between the 17th and the 19th. The new targeted date is the 18th. Mississippi to the north, Tennessee and Alabama, the locations of concern in Mississippi. But we're still expecting 2 separate tornadoes of destruction. Please take caution if you're in that region. World prediction from March 8th, 2025. FEMA. Resources spread thin. The rage pours from the U.S. people as they wait way too long. An egregious lack of compassion, a lack of decency, just basic decency, was coming from a person employed with FEMA. Seemed like a boss to me. Okay, whew. Negative natural disasters there. Let's have a little bit of fun. Please make sure you subscribe so you can really help us out. Here's the thing. I am doing these services for free so that I can share with you these world predictions so that together you and I can alter the tragedies. So by sharing this information, imagine what we could do with hurricanes, the people we could help in that situation. We could work together and make that a reality. That's what the purpose of these predictions are. Okay, sorry. A riddle to have fun. I'm going to present a vision. I know what the vision means, but I thought I'd put it out there and see who could guess it first. Whoever guesses it first gets a free reading. Here goes the riddle. I had a vision. There was some famous astrologer. He was all dressed up like the Harry Potter, the Malfoys. That's the best description there. Vision was an astrologer walking up to this huge stone doors. Then they opened for me. And on the other side was the snake moving and twirling. There was nothing out. The lights were off. And as he moved left, I moved left. As he moved right, I moved right. And then we did the hokey pokey and moved all around. Seriously, it was a dream, people. After we did that, the lights turned on and there was treasure in the room. That's the riddle. Tell me what you think. Thank you.